How are you doing today? Hope you're all well. Thank you for choosing this workout. So we're here to do a chair workout today. I'm going to do it on a stability ball, but by all means do it on a chair. We're doing a chair conditioning, so you do need some weights with you for this one. Okay, so if you're ready, get some medium to light weights. If you want to, you can do heavy weights or have a few different ones. Okay, if you're ready, we're going to get going straight from the get-go. 50 seconds on, 10 seconds off. Let's do it. Okay, let's go. Well done, guys. Thank you for joining me. Hope you're all well. So I'm going to use my ball, but you're going to use the chair if you wish. We're going to have our feet firmly placed on the floor and our body in a nice tall position. And we're going to start, I'm just going to move forward a little bit. We're going to have a nice tall back and we're going to start with some shoulder circles. Take it round, alternating sides. Well done. Good work. Now, open up the chest, team. Open, diagonal, open, and diagonal the other way. Well done. Open, diagonal, open, and diagonal. Now rotate those arms again. Round. Warming up the shoulders and the chest here and a little bit of back. Now open up the chest, diagonal, open, diagonal. Now just lift your shoulders up, lift, 2, one more, and release. Well done. Get your weights then for me. Start them near your feet on the floor. So we're going to pick them up, shoulder press and bring it down. Pick it up, shoulder press, down to the floor if you can go down. Ensure you've got your tummy pulled up to support that back. Well done. Keep that again. Up, push and down. You are looking good. Take it up, push, back and down. Well done. Do it again. Take it up, push, back and down. You are strong. Well done, team. This is looking really good. Keep that going. Really strong there.
Take a 10-second rest. In 4, 3, 2, 1.
Well done, well done. So the next thing we're going to do, team,
Exercise 3.
is we're going to stand up. Now this is a bit more difficult with the ball.
1.
So you're going to stand up and sit down. Stand up and sit down. You were waiting for me to go on the floor then, weren't you? Stand up, sit down, and down. Well done. Push up and sit down. So no hands helping you here to get up and down. It's just basically your strength in your legs, and we've got that added resistance with the weights in your hand. Well done. Good work.
Take a 10-second rest. In 4, 3.
Well done, team. I'm just going to open the window a bit because it's a bit warm in here.
Get ready.
I was freezing earlier.
Exercise 4.
Okay, team.
In 4, 3, 2.
So we're going to take one leg up, leg out, lift it up, bring it in. Leg out, lift and in. Leg out, lift and in. Leg out, lift and in. Well done. Leg out, lift and in. Out. Good work. Now if you can't get the gist of it, like me today, you can do one at a time.
Take a 10-second rest. In 4, 3, 2,
Well done, good work.
Get ready.
How's it feel?
Exercise 5.
Okay,
In 4,
lat raise.
2, 1.
Lift, 2, 3, and 4. Other side for me. Now we're going to do twos. Leading with that little finger. Tall bodies. Now we're going to do singles, please. Now we're going to do twos. Well done. Now fours. 1, 2, 3,
Take a 10-second rest.
4. Other side.
In 4,
1,
3,
2,
1.
3. You see we could hit it in. 4. Well done. Take the arms up.
6.
Nice tall bodies. Tricep.
3, 2, 1.
Take it down. Up. Control. Down and up. You've got this. Brilliant work, team. Keep those elbows nice and high. Quite high in that, quite hard in that seated position. Check those abdominals. And if you need to go on that one arm at a time, that's absolutely fine too. You know that. Well done.
Take a 10-second rest.
Control it.
In 4, 3, 2,
And release. Bring those arms down. Palms forward.
Exercise 7.
Nice tall back.
In 4, 3, 2, 1.
Take one arm up. Bring it down. Other arm up. Guys, you can do this without a weight if that works better for you. This is quite a difficult one to do. Bringing into the back. Nice tall backs. So really bringing in some of that back work. But you can take away the weights if you feel that this is a little bit much for you. Let's keep our backs nice and tall. Well done. You are strong. You've got this all the
Take a
way.
10-second rest. In 4, 3, 2.
I think we can finish the other arm off.
Get ready.
Of course we can.
Exercise 8.
Okay, arms in front.
In 4,
We're going to do a front raise.
2.
We're going to go up, 2, down, 2. Well done. Now you really need to think about this one, guys, because sometimes it's quite difficult. You need to keep your back nice and tall. If you've got a back rest on your chair, you could actually sit right up to it, because there's a tendency to lean back for this one, and we need to be strong. Well done. Control that movement. Good work. How does it feel?
Take a 10-second rest.
Well done.
In 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good work. How's it feel? Yes?
Get ready.
So we're just going to do a knee flirt, team.
Exercise 9.
Same arm as
In
leg.
4, 3, 2.
So tummy and leg here. I need you to lift that thigh off the chair. Control the movement and try not to let that body start to sag, to start to go down. Nice and tall for me. Well done. You've got this. How does it feel?
Take a 10-second rest. In 4, 3, 2,
Well done.
1.
Good work, team. So we're going to go into table
in 4,
waiter
3,
from a seated position. So we're going to go out, in, curl up, down. Out, in, curl and down. So we have worked our shoulders, we've worked our bottom and our thighs, we've worked our chest, we've worked our tricep and back, and this is working shoulders and a little bit more. Sorry, shoulders, back and biceps, all in one go. I know. Great work, team. How does it feel? Sitting on a chair, nice tall posture. Although it's easier on the legs, it's quite tough to do weighted exercise on the chair. So you've done really good, strong chair conditioning. Thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you very, very soon.